Just throw anything. Chase anything. Don't eat it. Get him in the water to cool down. What a lovely day. A cracker. Last day. National lockdown tomorrow. No more trips to the beach. Honest. Calf. 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 We won't go too much farther. We'll spin round again. Keep in the corner. That way we get to keep the corner. Just have to find some more stones. Yeah! Look at that, they're the right little waves. They'll get you. So you'll chase anything. Oh. Don't drink it. Such a bad dog. Look, all the seagulls gone back in the corner. They're not even bothering with that, that's not a real stone. Yeah, I'll find some stone. Dozer, this way. Come on. You're just an idiot. Don't even know why we take you out. Come on, let's go get seagulls. Dozer.